Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. So, in with us for the next few days we have a VW T6 Transporter. This is for a very good customer of ours called Andy, and we have done numerous bits and pieces on this vehicle and other vehicles for him in the past. Previous stuff we've done to this one is hydro dip into the interior trims and a little bit of body work. So don't forget to check out some of our other videos. That is on a previous video, along with some other T5s, T6s that we've done styling and bits and pieces on. So check them out as well. This time it's in with us to have sound deadening installed. So we are going to be removing the seats from the front, the cab area, the carpet. We're also then removing the door cards from the front and rear doors, and we are going to be installing Dynamat soundproofing. So this is an awesome product. We've worked with this numerous times before. So this will make a big difference to the road noise coming into the cab. So it will really make a difference in taking that away. It will also make a big difference to the quality of the stereo sound. So when we've done the door cards and put the speakers in, hopefully a speaker upgrade, that's what the customer is, we're just waiting for the speakers to arrive with him. It will make a big difference to keeping the quality of the sound on the interior of the vehicle. So getting rid of the sound, road noise, bits and pieces from outside, but keeping a good quality sound on the inside and improving that. So stay tuned for this one. We're going to go right through the process, have a bit of fun with our team at the same time as always, and get this all done and make a big difference for the customer. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. Like I say, like and subscribe to the channel. My apologies for the slightly over grey hair at the moment. It's purely from just working hard and the fact that obviously with the lockdowns at the moment I can't go and get a haircut. So all the guys, all the hair's looking a little bit long. So our apologies for that. Right, so we're now going to get this into the workshop and start getting everything stripped off the vehicle. So roll the intros. Right, okay, so Adam is now stripping all the interior out. I think the front seats are already out. He's already got the carpet and that out as well. So he's now cleaning all the floor, ready to stick all the start to stick all the Dynamat in. So the Dynamat material, here's the leaflet for it. And just so you can see, here we go. So we use this product a fair amount. We'll have a little wander in the workshop now, see how Ad's doing, and watch it in progress, see how he's getting on. We've got Pete out here doing some work on a Range Rover as well. Hello, mate. Hello, Ad.
Hello, mate.
How are we getting on, alright?
Yeah.
So we got here's the Dynamat. This is the sound deadening. So this is the extreme one we're using here. How are we getting on, alright, mate?
Oh, we're doing alright, mate. When you go in, go and have a look.
We go in, all the way in. Here we go. Right, so going right up inside the footwell. This is the passenger side at the moment, and to the back of the or to the front section of the rear carpet.
Back to the front.
Back to the front.
You know.
And Addy uses this little roller. Here it is. To roll over the Dynamat. Push it right in all the gaps, don't you, mate?
Well, push it right in there, mate.
Yeah.
Hard as we can.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way, mate. Yeah.
There we go. Let's have a little look. So sticky on the back of it.
Yeah, really sticky that.
Oh, I'm in your way, mate.
Yeah, just probably. No, I was just going to demo put the bin.
Oh yes, please do.
Word of warning: when you're doing this sort
hang
of,
on.
just be aware of your surroundings. Don't sit down in the truck too fast. Just that little bit there.
Woo. Oh dear. You sat right on it.
I've learned a lesson.
That's a valuable lesson as well. Right, here we go. So Ad's just going to shape it and a little bit in, look.
A bit rolling like this. Start up. Got a little clip on here, we've got to remember this, we've got to uncover him in a minute.
Okay. It's extremely
Right.
sticky stuff, isn't it?
Oh, it's extremely sticky.
Really good stuff. This really makes a difference with the sound and that sound deadening.
Does, mate. Yeah.
Proofing, whatever you want to call it.
Sound deadening. That's the one I like.
And then as you can see, when Ad's trimming it, just use a knife or a blade.
Use a knife and cut it.
Couple of little insertions.
Oh, a little clip there. Look.
There we go. Leaves the clip. So all the stuff, anything can be clipped back in as well. Right, we're now going to go see Ad. He is just about finished installing all the sound deadening to the floor. So we're going to see how he's doing, have a little look, see what it looks like. Oh, a little bumper job. Hello, P.
All right, then.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
How are we getting on?
Oh, good. I think we're just about there.
Yeah, let's have a little pan round.
Hopefully I haven't left any of these wires underneath, but that'd be a disaster.
I don't think you have. You know what you're doing.
We know,
Don't you?
mate.
Know what
I
you're
think
doing?
So, yeah.
Little steering wheel protector and everything there.
Yeah.
Good
Nice,
stuff.
eh?
Knob protector.
Knob protection.
Yeah, knob protection.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look now. There we go. Look at this, look, right up beside the footwell. You can just about see inside there.
Floor mats are a bit small, aren't they?
Very small floor mats.
Floor mats. Those are strange. Smallest floor mat I've ever seen.
And we come across that, here we go. Even onto the little step area. So everything will be covered by either carpet, seats or trims. There we go, look, right up inside there as well, look. Lovely. Couldn't get more sound deadening on there if you tried, could you, pal? Huh? Don't you say? Hello, Fraser.
Hello, Fraser. It's a lovely job, isn't it?
What's your feelings on the whole situation?
I really like it. I think he's done a really good job. We're all really proud of him.
Would his mum be proud?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think his mum would be proud. Whole family. Including John,
Yeah. Well, John.
especially John. John will be proud, mate, over there.
John's been proud. We're watching the video, ain't you, John? Yeah, hello, John.
Hello, John.
John, I'll watch it.
So now we're left with the door cards. So door cards have got to be removed. So, no, oh dear, didn't know about that. It'd be a nice surprise, look. Door cards off. All the sound deadening done inside there and new speakers fitted as well. So also, just to add to the fun and games that we've got at the moment, the motor, or one of the motors on the top of our spray booth, decided to, pack up. So me and Adam have already gone up on top of the booth, taken the old motor off. We are just going to finish fitting the new motor, supplied by some friends of ours over at M&C Engineering, good old boys. So we're going to go and get that on, and then the new motor will be wired in later today, we hope. So I'll go and grab a young Adam and we'll crack on with that, get that all ready. Bit of a pain this, because we could have done without that happening right now, but one of them things. Right, here we go, on top of the old booth.
Top of the world, haven't we, mate?
Top of the world, pal, top of the world. Right, this is what's gone. Actually, this is the new one, isn't it, mate? So this is the new one.
Yeah, this is the new one. It's very blue, isn't it? The old one wasn't blue.
You saw blind it was green, didn't you?
I did think it was green.
The new one.
Someone come in overnight, resprayed.
Yeah, and painted it blue. Typical.
Yeah, you
Bloody
know,
typical.
mate.
Right, so we got to just finish fitting this, haven't we, mate?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, you know.
All good fun. All good fun.
Yeah.
Mate. Oh.
Someone loses.
What's the word? Somebody loses a nut.
Nuts, yeah. Pop, bolt. Right, coming. Stay for it.
Yeah.
So
I do need to
Kerry
toilet as
doing the washing up.
Whoa. Well, we're going a bit too far here, aren't we?
Too right.
This is Kerry not doing the washing up.
Don't listen to him, Kerry.
Right, where we going?
Doing up.
Right, now we're getting the carpet back in.
I reckon that'd be alright.
And lovely job, lads.
Valid job.
Here we go.
Some wires under here.
It might be a good idea if we route them properly, mate. Route them through the carpet.
We need those, don't we, Alex?
I reckon so, mate. I reckon so. A nice job. But there we go. Carpet going back in a treat. Not too bad, is it? Right.
It's alright, no, not too bad, you know.
Just sorting your wiring out, I see.
Some worse jobs I have.
Especially working here, eh?
Oh, we've had a few funny ones, haven't we, mate? Really?
Oh, we have, yeah.
We've had a few funny ones.
A few unusual ones. Worked with this little beauty before, haven't we, for Andy?
Done a few bits around.
We have done some hydro dipping. Look, there we go. This is in the previous video as well. We'll put the link above. Look, I'll put the link above right now. You can see it, Ad? Just up there, mate. Just up there. You not see it?
That's it.
Ah, right above your head it was. Yeah. There you
Right.
go. Which was hydro dipping and some body work, I think, if I remember rightly.
Must have long legs, doesn't he?
Yeah, he has got long legs, Andy has. Long legs and short arms. We hydro dip the wing mirror covers as well. Look, there we go. Look. Bit funky.
Successful in my opinion, Pete.
Yeah, we've done alright, didn't we?
We did alright there, didn't we, mate?
You did alright, mate. Did alright.
What's this wire for? Going through there and all.
Spare one.
Nothing on the end of it. Must be a spare.
Came to the right guy, eh?
Yeah, you know it, mate.
Right, here we go. Ad's now finishing fitting the interior. Car, I think, just down to the finishing fitting the seats now. Here he is. Look.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
You nearly
Let me
missed
guess.
out, didn't you, on the
Last bolt.
finale? Last bolt, mate, now, yeah? Yeah, mate, last bolt. Quick hoover. Put Matt back in.
And that's the interior.
Jobs are good.
Well, other than the door cards, that's all the flooring done, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Lovely.
Oh,
Going
the
back in
headrest.
the
Got
tree.
the headrest back on.
Oh, it's got that headrest in.
Yeah, don't forget about that, mate.
Lovely. Look at that. Nice and neat, nice and tidy. A little bit of a hoover on the carpets, and that's the
Had a
floor.
pre-hoover,
All
this is
done.
just the final finale hoover.
For the finale hoover.
Yeah, to go off a bat.
Right, so we are now having our front office door wrapped. Simon is here from Sign It Designs, who does all of our artwork and sticker and signage, everything like that. So this is the guy to check out if you want anything done. We'll give you a quick view of the door. I will put the link below as well, so you can check out Simon's website at Sign It Design. It's pretty cool. He's come up with the design for all of this. Sorry, mate, filming your face. There you go. So it's just lining it all up on our office door. That's going to look pretty cool. Right, I'll let you carry on, mate.
Cheers, thank you.
Right, so we're now doing the sound deadening on the doors. Aren't we, Fraser?
Yes, boy.
So we'll have a little look at that. So here we go. So what are you doing, Francois?
Now we can take the old speaker out, ready for the new ones.
Oh yes, we've got some new speakers to fit, haven't we? Nice. And then we'll be putting the sound deadening. We'll prep the doors. There'll be a panel of sound deadening on the inside. So when the speaker's out, we'll fit that. And then we're going to sound deaden all this section that we make
Yeah,
all
man.
around.
Sound look well wicked.
And over here, mate. Don't forget, over here, mate. I've got,
Over there as well, mate. It's going to be
Over here
doing
as
some
well, mate.
sound deadening. We'll go.
doing one door, not the other, is it?
We'll get no, definitely not, mate. Definitely not. We'll come and have a little look.
Come and have a look, mate.
There we go. Fraser's drilling that out. We hope. There we go. Look. It's on it. You can see they're hot riveted in. Well, they won't be in a minute. Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. Is
Here
he
we
right?
go.
Yeah, that's sort of the first time we've let him use an electric power tool.
It's the first time I let them use any power
Right,
tools.
mate. Shut up, use my toothbrush.
At least you got your glasses on, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we would take it back. He's just let us know he has used an electric toothbrush before.
Yeah.
Mind you, you've seen the state of his
Although
teeth.
you told me about that the other day. You keeps knocking them all over because they've all got electric toothbrush, whole family. You've only got to sneeze in the bathroom, they all fall over apparently. So.
What, his family or the toothbrushes? Let's have a look at these new speakers, Ad. Where's these new speakers? One behind you, I think. I didn't even realise that was plugged in, mate.
That's on the other end.
Superb, so they're plug and play. Plug and play, they're ready to go.
Plug and play.
Good.
Yeah.
And they're to replace, here's one of the old ones down there.
Yeah, nice.
That'll replace that. Here's our Dynamat, look, ready to go in. Into these doors.
Done.
Lovely. Superb, mate. And this speaker's already out the door.
Yeah,
Just
mate.
Behind it, there we go, look. So Ad will put a section of Dynamat inside there, wouldn't you, mate?
Yeah, put a square inside.
By putting a small section inside the door, that will stop the vibration of the door skin, and then we'll Dynamat the panel on the outside, which will then sound deaden the inside the door. Then door card's back on. Here we go, look, Simon has now finished the door, wrapping the door with his design he came up with. It looks really cool. So we've got our Black Stag logo, and then our follow us on social media bits, into AW Smart Repairs, and then our opening times and reception. That's very good, mate. A lovely job. So that's who to give a shout if you need anything. Simon from Sign It Designs, he the man. Although his van needs a wash, but other than that.
Yeah, cheers.
But to be fair, the weather's rubbish, so we'll let him off.
And he's a busy sign.
Thanks for checking out part 1 of our sound deadening video to the VW T6. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the channel for part 2, which will be coming very shortly, where we'll finish all of that off. We also fit some of our Black Stag Edition decals to the sides, a couple of other little bits and pieces as well. So we will catch you again soon. Thanks for watching part 1.